Acha, Ibrahim, there were some words in your profile that your words create your world. I was just somewhat confused. Can you explain me what do you mean exactly by words creates your world?
Yes, sir. I will start with you only. Suppose, sir, I came to Sangli and we decided to go for a lunch. Okay. So, you, for example, we are deciding to go in some XYZ hotel. And, sir, what would you like to give order for the lunch? Any dish?
I would ask
Any
anybody,
no, no,
anything
any
like
random dish? What dish? What dish you would like to
paneer,
order, sir?
paneer or something like that. Yeah,
Okay, so for example, you are given paneer tikka masala. The manager is coming for the taking order, and you are saying कि paneer tikka masala लाओ. क्या ला के देगा वो? पनीर
paneer,
टिक्का मसाला ला के देगा या पनीर भुर्जी ला के देगा सर?
like
पनीर
paneer
टिक्का
tikka.
masala, right? Yeah.
Yeah,
Second question, sir, I would like to ask you. Now mango seasons are over and mangoes are getting so costly. So what you and me decided कि एक mango का seed लगाते हैं. What do you think उसमें से क्या निकलेगा? Mango का tree निकलेगा, apple का tree निकलेगा?
mango,
Definitely mango का.
mango.
Yes, this happens with us, sir. So whatever we speak, there is one universe का waiter standing behind us, and he's taking order. Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Yes, sir. And that waiter will deliver your order. आज नहीं तो कल, कल नहीं तो परसों, but deliver तो करेगा. अपना waiter थोड़ा
Very
time लगाता है, उसी प्रकार universe का waiter भी time लगाएगा. So what does I mean to say that? When I'm telling, अरे यार क्या करूँ, audit बहुत tough है, मुझे जम ही नहीं रहा है, आ ही नहीं रहा है. When you're saying that, then audit will be tough. क्योंकि ऑर्डर तो दिया, उसने बोला यस सर, ऑर्डर का डिलीवरी हो जाएगा. मैं अगर बोल रहा हूँ अरे यार अकाउंटिंग अमलगमेशन मतलब ना मेरा 36 का आंकड़ा है, समझ में नहीं आ रहा, तो दैट विल बी 36 का आंकड़ा फॉर लॉन्ग टर्म, बिकॉज व्हाट यू आर सेइंग यूनिवर्सल वेटर स्टैंडिंग बिहाइंड, यस सर, ही विल गिव यू द ऑर्डर. एंड यू चेक इन योर लाइफ, व्हेनेवर you are facing any bad phase in your life, we say कि यार मैं क्यों, बट थोड़ा पीछे जाके देखो कि आपने शायद ऐसा कुछ सोचा था कि ऐसा कुछ हो जाएगा, या फिर आपको कुछ ऐसा लगा था. सो दैट हैपेंस विद अस. दैट्स व्हाई व्हाट आई से, व्हाटएवर यू से यूनिवर्स में स्प्रेड होता है, एंड दैट विल कम बैक टू यू. आज नहीं तो कल, कल नहीं तो परसों. And there is one word most of the you people has example might have experienced that. There is one called word called telepathy. तो टेलीपैथी में क्या होता है कि मैंने किसी के बारे में सोचा था, उसका ही मुझे कॉल आता है, तो अरे यार अब भी तेरे बारे में सोचा, तेरा कॉल मुझे आया. सो व्हाट इज दैट? दैट इज नथिंग बट अ कनेक्शन between two hearts. So what happened? I thought something, the word spread in the universe. He thought something, the word spread into the universe, and that got connected, and ऑटोमेटिकली एक दूसरे को फीलिंग आना चालू होगा, एक दूसरे के बारे में आना चालू होगा. सो दैट इज हैपेंस विद अस. सो व्हेनेवर यू आर टॉकिंग, प्लीज प्लीज एंड प्लीज यूज वर्ड वेरी 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 केयरफully,
yes.
and just try to go to the intrinsic meaning of the word. I will just give one example of a word and I will stop this question answer. So many times we use to word called passion. हम बोलते हैं ना ये मेरा passion है, मेरा passion है. So I just started searching the meaning of that word, and I opened a dictionary before 1981. Oxford का जो पुराना dictionary जो उनका archive में से मिलता है. And I opened the dictionary and I just searched the word meaning of the word passion. And I, to my surprise, the meaning of word passion was crucifixion and struggle. Crucifixion and struggle. So whenever I'm calling, I have passion to do that. It means I have struggle to do that. And there is one word, one movie you might have heard about it, The Passion of Christ, in which they have shown that how the Jesus Christ was the crucified. And that is the meaning of that word passion. So initially I used to say, by profession I'm a teacher, by profession I'm a CA, by passion I'm a teacher. I used to say that. But right now I changed that word. By profession I'm a CA, but by love I'm a teacher. So that's why before using any word, I use very carefully. I don't use word many times. I don't use word a problem. I use words issues. Issue क्या है? Problem क्या है बोलने से पता issue क्या है. So in that way, I just focus on my vocabulary. One more thing, अगर आपको कुछ अचीव करना है तो उसके बारे में सोचना चालू करो, ऑटोमेटिकली थिंग विल स्टार्ट वर्किंग एंड ऑटोमेटिकली यू विल स्टार्ट अट्रैक्टिंग अबाउट इट. As the today's topic is not that, but I will not explain that in much detail, but I would like to thank with over here. Use word very carefully because your words will create your world.